Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you bake, you begin with dough, no knead. Your first 3 loaves should happen to be dough, no knead. Dough, no knead, easy artisan bread at home. Okay. Okay, so we've got 2 sheets of parchment paper. We're going to flour those. This is our dough after 2 hours of rising. You can separate it in half. Okay. So you can take it and you can fold it in like that. You can do this underneath where you're pulling the top tight. So it'll look like that. Underneath you're pushing in. And you've got a ball. You can set it down. You kind of roll it, cup it. Those are ways you can get a nice tight loaf. Same with this one. Push in, pulling. Slide the hand under. Pulling a little bit when you slide your hand under there. And you're rotating, so it kind of sticks here and here, pulls that bottom tight together. All right. So we're going to preheat the oven to 450. Put our baking stone in there to start getting hot. Those are resting for 40 minutes. I have this Pyrex with just a little bit of water in it, so it can heat up and create steam, and then we'll add water to it when we put the bread in as well. If you don't have a baking stone, just use the back of a baking sheet. 40 minutes of rest. There we go. Just gonna smooth flour over the top. So I made these 2 loaves, same recipe, but added about a teaspoon and a half-ish of herbs de Provence when I mixed in the flour, and so they'll be a little spiced. Okay, so there's our loaves. Just flipped them over onto baking. there you have 30 minutes of baking. Make a double-sized loaf. You don't have to make them little like this.